In this video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat tasks in Microsoft Planner. Now, in order to do that, you first need to head over to planner.cloud.microsoft. With this part, you can proceed to actually sign in into your account in order to do this. So for this, head over and just sign in. So do take note that personal accounts are not supported for Microsoft Planner. It's only available for organizational account or for those accounts that are part of a team. So do take note of that right here. Now here is my Microsoft Planner. Now in order to actually repeat task for this, just open right here the plan that you want to use. For example, let's choose right here this one. Now we can see right here this. So for example, let's click on this particular task and you can see this option for repeat. As of right now, it does not repeat. So what we can do is we can click onto this arrow down icon and we can see right here the options for the repeat. We can either repeat it daily, weekdays, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom. For example, let's try to repeat it weekly. As you can see, it will be changed. Close that right here. And it will also have this recurrence option where it will recur. So for that, just wait for this and on the next week that you have, it will be repeat. Now, if you want to cancel it, head over and open that task again. Click on repeat and click on does not repeat for that and save your progress by exiting this part. Last you can see it's actually been saved. So that's all there is today. I hope this video actually helped you out, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. If you have any questions as well, comment them down in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching.